everyone, my name's Grace and today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I think I'm just going to wing it and do something, summery. Okay, the first thing I'm going to be applying is this primer by Tom Ford. After that, I'm going to be getting my Tom Ford again, my foundation, which I've been really enjoying. It's the waterproof foundation, and I'm going to be taking my, gorgeous beauty blender that's so clean, and I'm going to be blending that all over my face. Okay, now I'm going to be taking my Peau, whatever it is, and this is it, in Ivory, and I'm going to be putting that on my highlight points all over my face. And again, I'll be taking my beauty blender and just blending it all out. And then now I'm going to be taking my other Peau. It's in beige. This is like the old packaging, but I still love it and I saw it like a little bit. This is more of like the shade of my foundation, and it's going to go over like all the spots that my foundation didn't get, like, acne scars and all that. Chanel. This is the, I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing this wrong, it's a Soleil Tan de Chanel. It's this one, and I'm going to be just like, contouring the points of my face. I'm just going to re-blend everything, like all the harsh lines, so it blends into my concealer and foundation. Oh, and I'm also contouring my nose a little bit, just, make it a little smaller. Again and just blend everything out because Now I'm going to be taking my translucent powder from Mercier, and I'm just going to be setting under my eyes, forehead, nose, chin, all that jazz. And I think I'll be using my beauty blender again because, beauty blender is like your life basically when it comes to makeup. Translucent powder and setting with it, but I just, I love it even more when it gets all over your clothes, especially when you're using all black. It's just great, really great. Okay, while that settles, and whatnot, I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows, and I'm gonna be using my Chanel, which is still in the box, of course. And this is the, wow, honestly, when it just comes to like more upper price makeup, you really can never pronounce these names. It's this Stylo Sourcils waterproof eyebrow longwear eyebrow pencil. Yeah, I totally said that right. Well, this is it. Okay, after my eyebrows, I'm gonna be taking my Ivory Clay Peau again and just, you know, carving out my eyebrows a little bit. And then I'm just gonna be taking this angle brush and just, you know, shaping out my eyebrows with it. And then I'm just going to be taking another brush, which is just like a flat brush, and I'm going to just be blending out the rest of the concealer around my eyes. And then after that, I'm just going to be setting my eyebrows with this Tom Ford brow gel. I'm not even going to say the rest because I can't even pronounce it, but this is what it looks like. And then now I'm just going to take, you know, a fluffy brush and just brush away all the rest of the powder that's under my eyes and all over my face. Now I'm going to be taking my Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate Glow Stick. And I'm going to be highlighting, but also putting blush on my cheeks and my... I'm going to be taking another, you know, this is a mineral powder brush to blend out all the blush that's on my face. The highlighter part of it and just highlighting my cheekbones and just like the temples of my forehead and a little bit of my cupid's bow, and that's about it. Okay, now I'm just going to be moving on to my eyes, and I'm just going to try to do more of a natural look because, you know, this is a summer look and I just want more of that beachy vibe. And I'll be taking another Tom Ford eyeshadow. Honestly, these are amazing. Though they're small and pretty pricey, they really have a lot of pigment and just amazing colors and so easy to blend. And this is the Private Shadow Ombre Secrete in 04 Starlit Ultra Suede. And this is what it looks like. I'm just going to be taking like a blending brush and just blending that all over my eyes. Just not doing anything too crazy. Because again, this is more just a neutral look and I'm not trying to do anything out of this world. So I'm basically just putting this all over my lid, and then I might be adding like a little bit of like shimmer or something just to bring out my eyes more, even though they're brown. I think I'm just gonna add a little bit of shimmer. I'm not sure if I'm gonna add another color yet, but we'll see. I'll let you guys know. Actually, I think I'm going to take a little bit of this other Tom Ford eyeshadow. It is the Iris Bronze Satin. You know, Iris is my first name, but I go by Grace. Fact about me. And I think I'm just going to put that a little bit in the middle, and then I'm going to add a little bit of more shimmer in the inside, in the inner corners, and on my eyebrow, whatever, what do you call that, eyebrow, something like that, I don't know, whatever. And I think I'm just going to be using my finger because I just really want it to be, you know, a little bit more intense-wise. You know, it really adds a really nice color. It's just really, really pretty. I'm just going to be blending that out just a little bit more, and then I'm just going to go into that shimmer color in the inner corners of my eye. And now I'm going to get like a more shimmery color and put that into my inner. Okay, now I'm going to be taking my Peau, whatever it is, and I'm going to be taking that gold shade right here, and I'm going to be putting that into my inner corners. Hopefully it turns out good. I really don't know. And I'm going to be taking just a flat shade and a flat shader brush and do that. Go back to the Iris eyeshadow color, and I'm just going to be blending that into this gold so it can just be more of an ombre effect. After that, I'm going to be going back to my duo, and I'm using the highlighter end and putting that on my eyebrow bone thing, whatever. Blending it out just a tad bit more, and then I'm gonna go back to bronzing my face a little bit more because, you know, I love that bronze. And I'm gonna be taking again another Tom Ford product. I really love Tom Ford, and it is a lot of money, don't get me wrong, but their products are amazing. I'm just be taking a large fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna be just placing that all over my face. And I'm just going to be taking a little bit on my neck because I'm very pale. After that, you know, I like my blush. I don't really think I need to add any more blush. Might add an extra highlight because it doesn't like. But first, before I add my highlighter, I'm going to be adding this hydration spray from Iredale, whatever. And then I'm going to be taking a highlighter brush and just highlighting my face. And I'm just going to be using my finger to like highlight my nose and my cupid's bow and my highlighting a little bit of my collarbones, neck, because I'm going to be going back into my eyes and I'm going to be putting some eyeshadow on and I'm going to just be using the Private Shadow again by Tom Ford and just putting that on. And then after that, I'm going to be using this highlighter pencil by Tom Ford again and just highlighting the parts that I want to around my eyes. I'm going to be adding some, I really like the Iredale Wispies, they're my favorite, you know, they're drugstore, can never go wrong with that. They're on. I'm going to be putting a little bit of mascara on to blend my lashes and my natural lashes together. And I'm going to be using my Chanel Lee Volume. And honestly, this is my favorite foundation mascara. I've been using it since like, oh my gosh, like my freshman year in high school. And I'm just going to be blending both my natural lashes and my falsies together. And then lastly, I'm going to be adding a little bit of lipstick, which is very sheer. This is again Tom Ford, the Ultra Sign lip color. And though it could be like a little bit, it looks a little bit dark, it really is sheer and like sparkly, which I love, and it has a little bit of a tint to it. It's really nice. See, nothing too crazy. And then I'm just gonna clean up my bottom area, if you can see here. Okay, I hope you enjoyed my video, my first video on YouTube, and I hope you subscribe and like. I'll see you guys soon. Have a wonderful night, evening, morning, whatever it is. Bye!